Welcome to Generac Product Support. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to take to properly maintain your portable Generac generator. The proper maintenance of a generator not only ensures that it will run when you need it the most, but it also helps extend the lifespan of your unit. These steps include cleaning the generator, changing the oil, cleaning the air filter, running the unit monthly, charging the battery, and properly storing the unit. Let's start with cleaning the generator. Use a damp cloth to wipe exterior surfaces clean. Inspect cooling air slots and openings on the generator. These openings must be kept clean and unobstructed. Now, let's change the oil. Most portable generators require that the oil be changed within the first 30 hours, but some smaller generators do require it earlier. Always refer to your product's manual for exact oil change intervals. To perform an oil change, begin by running the generator for a few minutes. This will help the oil become easier to change due to the heat of the engine. After a few minutes, stop the unit and wait until the engine has cooled enough for you to touch it. Then drain the oil. Once all of the oil has been drained, replace the oil drain plug. Refill the crankcase with oil to the full line, but be sure not to overfill. Now let's take care of the air filter. Unscrew and remove the cover. Remove the filter and clean with soapy water. Rinse with clean water, squeeze with a clean cloth, and leave it flat to dry. Another key part of maintaining your generator is routinely running it. We strongly recommend that generators be run once monthly for approximately 30 minutes with a load that includes an appliance that uses a motor, such as a box fan. This ensures that the alternator and engine are both exercised. If it is not possible to run the unit monthly, it should be run at least every 3 months for 30 minutes or more. If your generator will not be used for more than 30 days, use fresh fuel with a commercially available fuel stabilizer. This will help ensure that the unit's carburetor does not experience issues due to non-use. Electric start units will come with a wall charger designed to charge the battery. It is recommended to charge the battery every month for a day by plugging it into an outlet while utility service is available. Overcharging the battery can hurt it more than undercharging it. Other maintenance items can include checking for the correct spark plug gap, fuel filter replacement, spark arrestor service, and valve adjustment. We recommend contacting a certified servicing dealer, as improper adjustments could ultimately break the generator. For any further maintenance or questions, please contact a certified servicing dealer or call us at 1-888-436-3722. Thanks for watching Generac Product Support.